Alright, so I'm Toby, and I've been having problems with my Excel. It's blowing breakers. We thought it was the igniter and the control board, because the control board was only kicking the igniter on basically toward the end of its cycle. So talking to the great customer service at Pit Boss, we given it one last shot. They sent me a new board, new igniter, a new internal temperature probe, and the auger motor. Something in the electrical is causing a short. Even running this newest control board, the auger seems to be putting out more pellets, but the igniter is kicking on as if it had pig controller software in it, but that's impossible because these electronics in these boards cannot have that. There's not enough there for it to do it. Basically, I turn it up to a setting, the igniter kicks on intermittently and such. And like I say, blowing breakers and stuff. No, I don't use GFIs. I never would use it on an outside outlet anyways. It's running on a 12-2 wire, new outlet, 20 amp breaker. It's code. I know it's right. Nothing wrong with it. Never had these issues before. So watching some of these videos that Pit Boss does do and others, it's kind of hit and miss. They actually showing how everything exactly comes apart. There's a couple, being I'm doing this by myself. Yeah, the beginning of this video sucks, but I'm doing the taping myself. But basically, I'm gonna unplug all the wires on the control board, pop the control board out. Then I'm gonna take these 4 screws, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. I've already emptied the hopper and vacuumed the dust and stuff out. Probably wondering, I showed in other videos, these LED lights work wonders. When I initially had trouble, I was told to do a timing test on the auger. How long the auger kicks on, how long it stays off. And the timings were out of whack on them boards. So those boards got sent back to Pit Boss for inspection. I did a video on that, which people would think, oh, it's just the boring burn pot. Well, there's more to it. You're looking at the auger feed. So instead of hurt my eyes looking, this green light comes on when the auger comes on. The red light is when the igniter kicks on, which makes things easier. Well, how'd I do that? Basically, these are 110 LEDs, and basically I plug the wires into the wires. They're pushed in there. They don't come out very easy. I haven't yet put a zip tie or something. They don't make a T-plug of these Molex connectors that I have found. So basically, I'm gonna unplug all these. I'm gonna pull these out, and then take the hopper loose. That way I can get to the auger motor, and that way you can see it better. So let me get the board and the 4 screws loose, and then I'll show taking the other stuff off. Well, I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got that out. I've got the screws, both these on both sides out. Now we need to look up, and looks like I need to cut this wire because my auger motor runs through the zip tie, and I think that's all I need to do. So let me run in here, get the kitchen scissors. It's Oreo. That's one of the babies, only 4 months old. So once I get this this snipped, then there shouldn't be anything snagged. So the only thing I'm not replacing is the blower motor. But I am the auger motor, the igniter, and the temp probe. So let's see if I can lift this off and get them out of the way. I bet I'm gonna have